You see my face and that you're reminded, and whether or not it's fair that mercy is provided, and what you did was cruel and reckless. And still I hope that you don't get justice. I hope when you feel what you did, you'll feel forgiven, and you'll find a simple life worth living. If one of us is going to suffer, why would I want you? I hope you don't get what's coming to. I hope when I forgive, I don't go amiss. But I sure hope you don't get justice. I hope you see my face, and it will be clearer that you won't hate yours when you see it in the mirror. And whether or not it's fair, I hope you feel happiness, and I hope you don't get justice.